Hello and welcome to another quick unboxing at Gadgets 360. This is the Nokia 3.2 from HMD Global. The variant we have with us sports 3GB of RAM along with 32GB of storage. Let's see what we get inside the box. Immediately we are greeted with the phone up front wrapped neatly in plastic. Let's boot it up and take the plastic off. There's a notch at the top of the screen and a fairly thick chin at the bottom. This is the black color variant. Let's put it aside and see what else is there in the box. There's the SIM eject tool, then the usual paperwork and documents, next is the micro USB cable, and finally the power adapter. So here's a quick glance at everything you get inside the box. The Nokia 3.2 sports a 6.26-inch HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 19:9. The smartphone is powered by the quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 SoC with either 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage or 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The internal storage is expandable using a microSD card of up to 400GB. The smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie and is a part of the Android One program. Powering the device is a 4000 mAh battery. The phone also features a dedicated Google Assistant button which will launch the assistant with a single press. Moving on, there's a single 13MP sensor with an f2.2 autofocus lens on the back and a 5MP fixed focus selfie shooter on the front with an f2.2 lens.